students, welcome back to social studies. Is what all we studied about previous class. We studied about sense organs, especially in that our bodies, right? Yes, what all we do, the activities, those and all we got to know what the activity will do our hands, what activity will do our legs, as well as what activity will do our mouth, each and everything we got through know, right? Yes, now everybody open your page number 21, and that we'll see Anu loves to play in garden. Which body part does she use to do the things above? See, who is she? She is Anu. What she likes to play, or she loves to play in her garden, right? Yes. Which body part does she use to do the things? We'll see now. Okay. Here the Choco sing. What she'll hear? She'll hear the Choco sings. It is nothing but the bird which the bird will be sing the song. How she will hear? By which part she will be hear? She will hear in the part of ears, right? Yes. Run after butterfly. What she's doing? She's running behind the butterfly, right? Yes. For that, which body part she'll use? She will use her legs. Taste the type mangoes. Wow, yummy, yummy. Everybody loves mangoes. Yes. What she is doing? Tasting. In which she is tasting? She is tasting her ripe mangoes by tongue, right? Yes. Tongue, right? Yes. Breathe in the fresh air. What she is doing? She is breathing the fresh air. By which? By nose. Right? Yes. See the beautiful flowers. What she is doing? She is seeing beautiful flowers. By which she is seeing? By seeing her eyes. Right? Now what all we did? We did which which all she is doing. She love to do the things in her garden. Yes, she loves to play in her garden. And what all the body parts she used to do the things above, we got to know. From here she will hear the things. From the legs he will run behind the butterfly. From the tongue she will taste the mangoes. From the nose he will breathe the fresh air. From the eyes she will see beautiful flowers, right? Yes. Next we will see what we should not do with our body. What we should not do with our bodies, we'll see. Do not strict sorry stick ever a tongue out at others. What he's doing? Just he is touching his tongue from out of his mouth, right? So it should not happen. That is bad manners. What it is indicates? That is indicating bad manners. Okay. Yes, we should not do such thing. We should do not talk badly about others. What he is doing? He is talking badly about others. He should not do that. That is also a bad manners. Okay. Do not hit other child. What should not do? We should not beat other child, or we should not hit other person or a child. It is also indicating a bad manners. Okay, yes. We should not kick the pup. Yes, what he is doing? He is kicking the baby dog, right? It should not happen. That is also indicating the bad manners. Okay. Yes. All the body parts work together. We can do many things with the help of different parts of our body. Yes, it is nothing but we can do different things from our help of our different parts of our body. Right? Yes. Next. Everybody open a page number 22. In that we'll see use red crayons to color the object that you can smell and blue crayons to the color that object that you can hear and yellow crayons that color object that you can taste. See which you can smell, it should be in red color. For smell, which you can hear, it should be in which color? In yellow color. Which you can which you can hear, that should be in blue color. Which you can taste, that should be in yellow color. For ice cream, it is taste or a ear or a smell. Taste. So which color? This is nothing but in the color of yellow. And cake, it is hearing or a tasting or a smelling. Tasting. So this is also should be in the color of yellow. Telephone, in phone what all we can do? We can hear or a smell or we can taste. We can hear. So it should be in blue color. And perfume, what we can do by perfume? Yes, we can smell. So it should be in red color. Bell, if the bell rings once, what we can do? We can hear. Correct? Yes, it is also in blue color. This will be your homework. I already explained. So what you have to do? Just color those pictures. I already mentioned ice cream should be in yellow color. Cake also should be in yellow color because these both are eatable items. Phone should be in blue color because we can hear. And perfume should be in, yes, perfume should be in red color. Why? Because we can smell very easily. And bell also should be in blue color. Okay, yes, those will be your homework. Make sure this is a craft time, children. No, don't less bother for those. Okay, if once the school start, we'll see it later. Now do this homework. Okay, bye student. Meet you for the next class.